Hello friends, welcome to this video session of Google Translate. In the previous video session, we have seen how to provide input using Google. We have seen one way by using phonetic English, you can type in any language like Marathi. In addition to that, we have seen how it is possible for any user to type without touching even a keyboard. Okay, how we can make a voice typing. So these two features we have seen. In addition to these features, now we are starting with an important feature, and that is how it is possible for a user to make translation of text. Google Translate is one tool provided by Google which will helps you in making translation of text from any language to any other one. Just like I can make a translation of my text from English to Marathi, Hindi or any other language easily by using this Google Translate tool. Another better facility or another better feature is you just don't need to have a Gmail account. That means without Gmail account also you can access this feature of Google Translate. So now we'll start how we can use this feature of Google Translate. So this is the Google screen I have, and just like I have told you, if you have Gmail account and you have already logged into in that account, so just click on Google Apps, and under that Google Apps you have this option available for Google Translate. And now again, if you just don't have a Google account, Gmail account, so at that time you can just type over here, and that is Google Translate. So just by typing Google Translate, you will get a screen something like this, and within that I'll try to just click on Google Translate. So just after that you will get a screen in which your screen is available in two parts, and that is the first one is detect language and another one is a translation. So this first part is the area where you have to place your text, and it is going to detect that text and it is being translated into a specific language. Generally by default this language was something, and that is an English. So by default it is going to make a translation in an English. Okay, otherwise as per your need you can choose the language. So now we'll try to choose any paragraph, and what we are going to make, we are going to place it into the first part and we'll check it out whether the translation is possible or not. So for that I'll try to move on to the site. As far as this site is concerned, it is a site of moral stories, and from that I'll try to copy one paragraph. So I have selected this paragraph and I have copied that paragraph. So I'll paste it over here. So this is the paragraph I have pasted, and just like I have told you, by default it is translating in English to English. Okay, so it has detected the language, it is an English, and it is again translated in an English. Of course, it is there is no meaning in making that translation. So what we are making, we are trying to make the translation in a language like something Marathi. So I'll choose the language Marathi. The moment I'll hit an enter, you can see you have this particular feature available. Okay, so your story which is available in an English, you will be getting translated into a Marathi. Okay, एक मीठ विक्रेता आपल्या गाढवावर मिठाची पिशवी दररोज बाजारात घेऊन जायचा. Okay, another very important feature which is provided, you just don't need to read it out, you can easily listen the thing. Okay, so just I am clicking on listen option.
एक मीठ विक्रेता आपल्या गाढवावर मिठाची पिशवी दररोज बाजारात घेऊन जायचा. वाटेत त्यांना एक ओलांडून जावे लागले. एक दिवस गाढव अचानक पाण्याखाली आला आणि मीठ पिशवीही पाण्यात पडली. मीठ
Okay, so this way it is possible for you to even listen the things whatever you have translated. Okay, again I'll try to choose the another language, but prior that what we are going to make, we are going to select this text, and just like the moment I'll select part of that text, it is saying me improve translation. So there is an option of improving the translation, so I'll click on that improve translation. So my translation will be getting improved. I'll select that, I'll copy that particular one and just paste it into the Word document. So you can see I have translated the data from English to from English to Marathi. Okay, again we'll check it out for some another language. Okay, I'll choose the language something, and that is Hindi. And you can see एक नमक बेचने वाला. Of course, we are not reading it. We'll try to listen the thing.
एक नमक बेचने वाला हर दिन अपने गधे पर नमक की थैली को बाजार तक ले जाता था। रास्ते में उन्हें एक नाला पार करना था।
Okay. If you have seen properly in a Marathi, the translation of stream was not proper. So what I am saying, it is not a translation made by any human being, it is a machine translation, so it may have some drawback, definitely have some drawback. It might have some major grammatical mistakes, so you cannot rely totally on this tool, but still it is helpful for you to some extent. So again, I'll click on this particular text, part of the text, it is again saying me improve the translation. Okay, I'll select the text, I'm copying the text, and again I am pasting it into the word. So this is my first paragraph which is available in English. Now, sorry, in Marathi. Another one is in Hindi, and now I'll try to choose another particular language. Okay, so I'll choose the language was something. The translation language I am choosing was something Gujarati. Okay, Gujarati. Okay, so Gujarati language I have taken. Okay, again we'll listen the thing. If someone will
મીઠું
Gujarati,
વેચનાર
he
દરરોજ
might get.
તેની ગધેડા પર મીઠાની થેલી લઈને જતા હતા. રસ્તામાં તેઓએ એક પ્રવાહ પાર કરવો પડ્યો. એક દિવસ
Okay, again I'll click on paragraph. It is saying me improve the translation. Again, Control A, P, and you can paste it. So what I'm saying, you can not only just make a translation, you can make the copy of that text and place it and format it as per your need. So this way you can use this Google Translate tool. As far as this Google Translate is concerned, it is having a limit of 5,000 words. Okay, so 5,000 words you can be able to place under this tool, and easily you can be able to make a translation of that. It is not the case that only Indian languages you can choose. You can choose a languages like French. Okay, I have chosen French, and you can listen that French language.
un vendeur de sel transportait quotidiennement le sac de sel sur son âne au marché.
Okay, so this is a better feature of Google Translate. Now, where it is useful in the field of education. So for some subjects, it is necessary for the paper setter to design the paper in a 3 different languages. So at that moment of time, he has to create the paper in a Marathi, Hindi, and English, 3 different language. So of course, he can take the help of this Google Translate to some extent. Again, I am saying you cannot rely it on totally on this particular language. Just like in the first paragraph of Marathi, you might have seen. Okay, he has not translated that Odha properly. Okay, in a Hindi he has translated that particular one properly. In a Marathi or English he has translated the thing quite easily. But in case of a Marathi, something goes wrong. So idea is that don't rely it on totally, but still it is helpful, useful for you. Okay. Similarly, now in a research, if you have a particular paper which is written in a non-Marathi, Hindi, English type of language, and if you need to get a knowledge from that particular paper, to get extract something from that paper, so you can gain that thing by using this very important tool, and that is a Google Translate. Okay, another better thing regarding this tool is you can use this particular tool on your mobile also. Suppose you have visited a place where no Marathi, English, Hindi language will be understood by the peoples. So at that time, what you can make, just like I'd like to eat something in a restaurant, and I am asking for something vegetarian food. Okay. So at that moment of time, if I'll be in a French, I will just type this thing in my mobile. Okay. Just start the speaker and
La nourriture végétarienne.
okay, so this way you can be able to make a translation of anything. Okay, again we'll try to make a translation in something Urdu. Again I'll click on speaker icon.
Sabzi khor khana.
Okay, so this way You can see again, I'll click on Gujarati also.
शाकाहारी खोराक.
Okay, so this way you can make a translation of text from any language to any other one. So I hope this is one of the important feature which is provided by Google, and it is definitely helpful for us. Okay, again I am saying you, this is a machine translation, so may generate, create grammatical type of errors. So it is a better to check it out prior posting that particular data. It is a better go through that data whether any grammatical major mistakes might be there within that data. Okay, so this is an important tool which we have learned, and that is a Google Translate. I hope you have understood, and again easily you can use this tool as and when needed. So so thank you very much, and I hope that you will use these tools in the future somewhere. Thank you very much.